Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create a WeChat account without a QR code. So let's start. So first we have to go to WeChat and then just create the account. So let's find the WeChat app here. You have, just click here and we wait until this is ready to use, okay? Now let's wait a little bit and just click here on sign up, and you can select sign up via mobile or via Facebook. In this case, let's select Facebook. Just wait a little bit and this will ask you to connect to your Facebook account. Just click here on connect. Just wait a little bit until this is connected to your account. As you can see here, we have it. Just write your country and region, your phone number, and your password. Then when you do it, just read and accept and then continue. So that's how it works. Just select the country here that you prefer. In this case, I will select the mine and just click the mobile phone. And then just click on enter your password. Then when you do it, just click here on accept and continue, and you will sign up to your WeChat account without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.